At Faber Castell, we pride ourselves on quality, and this begins with the wood that we use for our color pencils. We grow the wood for all of our color pencils in our FSC certified forests. This is a slat used for our color pencils. You can see the long fibers and that they're knot free. Next in the slat, grooves are cut, and in each groove, glue is put into the entire length. We glue our pencil leads completely into the barrel. This makes the pencil break resistant and the leads do not fall out into pieces. This is a process known as SV bonding. So after the leads are glued into place, they are sandwiched by another slat of wood, and then they are cut into pencils. Once they are completely cut, this is what the raw pencils look like. With our color pencils, we use better pigments, and better pigments equal better color, and better color equals better performance. Your artwork will be resistant to fading over time when subjected to sunlight. Rich pigments allow for better blending and layering without a waxy bloom. Our pigments are not harmful and are certified non-toxic.